Chat logs. This guide will teach you how to download your project conversation chat logs. Step 1. Access Ask Me Anything. Log into your CustomGPT account. On the dashboard, look for the Ask Me Anything button and click on it. Step 2. Access the drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down menu. Select either Team Member or Anonymous Users, depending on the type of conversation history you want to download. Step 3. Click on Export Conversations. Click on the Export Conversations tab. Step 4. Choose Export Format. Select the export format for your conversation history. Choose one of the following export formats: JSON, XLSX, or CSV. To export a specific number of conversations, choose Custom and input the desired number of conversations to export. Otherwise, keep the number of rows set as all. Step 5. Start exporting. Click on the Export button. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded your conversation history.